Today's we are going to discuss about the database. Of course, I have already discussed that I'm going to use the MySQL. It's a database. If you install the database MySQL database, make sure it's a free database. You can download the database from the official website of the MySQL. So as you can see, MySQL is an open source relational database management system. Its name is a combination of my and something like this. Okay, you can also download the MySQL database from official website, as you know. So as you can see, the new MySQL 8.0, the current while I'm recording this lecture, the version of the MySQL database is 8.0. So you know MySQL document is stored and also okay. So now how can you download? Click on the download button if you are downloading the MySQL. So as you can see, this is the MySQL database. So custom download, and we have a lot of options here. So you can download from here, or you have some other options. I'm a web developer, so that's why I have some I'm working on PHP, so that's why I need to install the server where I run my script. So I always use the XAMPP. XAMPP is a server. So as you can see, it's a XAMPP. If you install the XAMPP, it will give you three options: Apache, MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. So it will give you the MySQL database, of course, and also the PHP. So hit the download button, download. So it's totally depend upon you which version you are going to use. If you are working on PHP 7.x or 7.1 or 7.2 or 7.3, you need to download these versions. And if you are working on 6. version, you can also download the older versions, more downloads here. And make sure I am the Windows user, so that's why I need to download this version. If you are a Linux user, you can download this. If you are a Mac user, you can download these versions. So it's totally depend upon you. If you are using other databases like Oracle, like SQLite, like SQL Server, DB2, and also Microsoft Access. Yes, you can also download them, but I'm going to use the MySQL database. So download the XAMPP from the official website of the XAMPP. So as you can see, this is the XAMPP. It's a apachefriends.org. This is the official website. This is the official website of the XAMPP. You can download this. I have already downloaded the XAMPP. Okay. Once you download the XAMPP, what you need? Wait for a few seconds. Okay. Once you download the XAMPP, so what you need? Just need to open the system. So you can see it's giving you the Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, and Tomcat, some other options. What you just need to start the MySQL. If you are working on the PHP, you have to start this Apache, because Apache is a server if you want to run the PHP script. Okay, for now we are working on the database, so that's why we just need to start this MySQL, because MySQL is a database we have already discussed about. And how can you access this? Just write localhost and write PHP my admin. It will give you the, just a second. Okay, I have to start the Apache also. Okay, so now wait a few seconds so it can easily start. So now it's giving you the, just a second. So now it's giving you the, the PHP my admin. It will give you the, just a second. Okay, I have to start the Apache also. Okay, so now wait a few seconds so it can easily start. So now it's giving you the, the PHP my admin. It will give you the, just a second. So now it's giving you the, databases. So these are the databases I have already created. So what I'm going to create, so this is the interface. If you are working on Oracle SQLite or SQL Server, they also have some interfaces where you can run your queries like this. For suppose if you want to run queries, you can write here select static from users. So in this way you can write, because this is the interface where you can run your queries, where you can give your command. Okay, so now I'm going to create a database. So because I have connected with my server, so this is a server. Okay, now hit the database. I'm going to create a database. So you can create your database from here for suppose students, okay, or users or something like this. I'm going to create the database student or school. So school is a database name. You can choose your collection here. By default, lesson Swedish. Click on the database. As you can see, you have successfully created your databases. This is the one option. If you have installed the XAMPP, you can access phpMyAdmin. So because phpMyAdmin gives you some interface or commands to manage your database. But if you have a data grid, so as you can see, this is the data grid. I have a tool to manage my databases. Okay, so I'm going to discuss about this tool, so don't worry about it. Now go to the JetBrains, hit the enter button. So as you can see, JetBrains developer tools for professionals and teams. So click on this. So as you can see, this is the JetBrains. This is the official website of the JetBrains. You can download the data grid here. So you can see JetBrains is a platform, or they are providing the best IDEs and the tools for the programmers and the developers or the teams. So click hover on the tools. So as you can see, this is the data grid. Click on this. So as you can see, they are saying many databases, one tool. So data grid is for the database. They are saying intelligent query console, efficient schema navigations, a lot of benefits they are giving with this tool. Okay, the major database management systems they are supporting if you are downloading and installing this tool. We are working on the MySQL, that's why they are also supporting. If you are working on Oracle, Azure, DB2, SQLite, H2, and also HyperSQL, ClickHouse, and other databases, you can also download this tool. You can also work on the phpMyAdmin, but this is the odd. I'm not satisfied, and I'm not using this one. I am using data grid since 4 to 5 years, so that's why I prefer that you can download this tool from JetBrains. This is the official website of the JetBrains, and make sure they are giving 13 days free trial. If you are not purchasing this, they are also giving 13 days free trial. You can also get the 13 days free trial. If you are a teacher and you are a student, they also give you the 1 year free license. That means education license. I'm a student, so that's why I have the free license. Okay, so this is the tool. Hit the download button, write some information, and subscribe, not subscribe. So they will give you the link, or you can download it. As you can see, it's data grid 2018. You can download this tool and install this tool. I have already downloaded and I have already installed this tool. So click on this tool. I have already downloaded, so that's why I have this icon. So this is a data grid 2017 version, because okay, I have downloaded and installed. Okay, so now as you can see, so how can you connect with your databases? Now I'm saying that now as you can see, it's saying manage data sources. Control Alt Shift S, press these buttons, or file, data source, As you can see, right click. If I'm saying I'm going to remove this, just click on this button, click on the MySQL, because we have a MySQL. If you are working on the Oracle, just click on the Oracle. I'm using the MySQL. Okay, so now click on this plus button, MySQL. The username is root because I have installed the XAMPP inside my local machine. So if you are not specifying database, you don't need to specify this. Password always empty. Test connection. It's saying successfully apply. Okay, so now a pop-up appears. I'm saying show databases. So semicolon control shift to execute your queries. As you can see, it's showing us the databases I have. We have created the school, so that's why it's showing you the school. So in this way, this tool works. I will define the functionality of the school in my later lectures, but for now, this is a tool to manage your databases. So thank you for watching.